Well, that's why they clear away all the clouds with the short condensation trails that you see on the aeroplanes. Well, not strictly speaking at all condensation trails. They are to make sure we don't get any cumulus clouds. But what we have here is Celsius cloud formation, persistent condensation vapor trails. But the word vapor, just what I was talking about. That there is not your persistent condensation vapor trail. That is to stop cumulus clouds from forming. That's what that bugger's there for, and nothing else. That's why it dissipates as quickly as it does, because they're little particles. That stops, God knows how it's done, but that's what it's for. Anyway, which was pretty good, but you can see that that isn't making any of those lines over there. You see, it isn't making any of those lines. So that's what we have right here at the moment. It's Sunday, I think it's the 3rd, 2nd, maybe the 2nd of February 2019. I woke up to a beautiful morning, loads of those little buggers flying around, cloudless sky, and then from the west this appears. As you can see, I can't get my camera over the top of there, but that's what we have here. Okay, that's come over from the west, and that's probably remain with us up until Wednesday. Yeah, so there we have it. That's your weather for this week. We're going to remain under persistent spraying of chemical compounds up there. Chemical powders, whatever, heavy metals, soot, dust, you name it, they're spraying it up there. Mercury, you name it. Whatever oxide you want, they've got it up there. Yeah. Aluminum, barium, strontium, you name it, they're up there. That's what it's all about. Yeah. Amazing. And you know, the silence from the Met Office and John Ketley and the rest of them, and John Ketley's own private company for the weather, which goes on the LBC. Yeah, they totally deny it. Public Health England totally deny it. You know, if you say condensation trails, that's your lot. It goes no further. But if you say condensation vapor trail, oh, they want to know all about that. But if you say Celsius clouds, they have no idea what you're talking about. Oh, sorry, cumulus cloud. They have no idea because they've got so many of them. You say, oh, go onto our website and have a look at all the cumulus clouds. Just as I'm talking, look, there's a persistent one going to be forming right there. Probably going to go right across the sky. Yeah, it looks like it is. Yeah, but if you say cumulus clouds, they say go on a website, they're all there. But ask them about Celsius clouds. It's a different subject. So, I haven't really moved from my spot here. But you can see how far they're kind of travelling, how quick they're travelling across the sky. So I'm predicting by 6 o'clock we'll be under complete blanket of Celsius cloud. You can see that one coming over in the distance. Oh, I'm under zoom there, but you see him there. Let's take it away from zoom. You see that guy there? Yeah. That's what he's doing. He's laying down these lines for us. I mean, I could try and put him off by reflecting the sun off a mirror to let him know that I'm here. I've done that a few times. Just to let them know that I'm here. I'm not here to blind them or anything like that, but they probably will see me. And I think if a lot of people do start doing that, they'll take notice of it. That's one way to acknowledge that we know what they're doing. Let's get yourself a little mirror and just bounce the sun off onto it in their direction. So, yeah, they'll probably get the hint, but they'll probably launch an offensive pretty quickly. Do not point your mirrors at the sun, kind of thing. Oh, look. Oh, dear. It's just non-stop here today, isn't it? Non-stop fun. Well, we did see that little condensation vapour go past earlier, the soot sprayer. That's what I'm going to call them, soot sprayers. Because I believe that's what it is. Having fun up there, right? I'll pause this for a couple of minutes and then come out again and see the state of the sky. But let me just show over there. Ah, it's just fucking all over England. That's all they're doing. Just looked at the satellite on sat24.com. Ireland is totally covered in it. Absolutely covered in it. Yeah. Yeah. There you go. But nobody can see that shit happening. I can quite visibly see that aeroplane has got a blue belly. Half a blue belly. And I can now hear him. You hear them? Yeah. There we go. Anyway, I'm going to pause out. I can't really, look. There's another one over there. There's another one over there. Wow. There you go. And look at this. What's this one doing? Amazing stuff. Amazing stuff. There's matey boy gone over there. He's gone over there into the... Look at the blueness behind there. Look. 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 Not a cloud in the sky over that side. Not a streak. Not a streak. There we go. Last little look out here. And this will be up till at least Tuesday. We'll be under this blanket. Temperature probably raised to about 10 degrees. The ground right now is pretty solid, firm frost. Yeah, nice and frosty under there. But it will raise to 10 degrees. And yeah, that's the way they like it. 10 degrees. Keep it nice and warm and comfortable. That's what we have here all the time. Look at this one here. What's going on there? Anyway, that's the end of that shit. Let's go and watch some Brexit bollocks.